Hello YouTube, this is a power bank that I've just made for my cousin's Land Rover. He goes away a lot, stays in his Land Rover 4x4 in, and needed some extra power in the back, so I've just come up with this. We've got some USB points, we've got a voltage meter, and we've got a light. Oh, that's a bit bright. Cob light, LED cob light, and we've got up to 500 watts, 240 volt. This is a breaker between the front battery, which these will be connected to, and the battery in here. Can be tested via there. The lid off. Inside you can see here we have a split charger relay, so once it reaches, the car battery reaches 13.7 volts, it'll cut in and start charging the 110 amp hour leisure battery. Once the ignition is turned off on the vehicle and it drops below 12.6 volts, it cuts out charging, so it'll never flatten the car battery. We've got a small pure sine wave 500 watt with a 1200 watt surge inverter, and as I said, we got the large 110 amp hour leisure battery. As you can see, it's all wired in the back there, totally self-contained. I still haven't quite finished it yet. I am going to put some vent holes in the back here, just because when this runs there is a fan on it, just to give a bit of air circulating. But everything's ready to go. All we have to do is put this will go behind the passenger seat. You can hear the fan running on that now. The vehicle's battery is under the passenger seat, so it'll just go straight to an earth on the vehicle. This one straight to the live, and it'll charge the internal battery in here, so he should always have power to plug his telly in, any other bits and pieces he wants, charge his phone, his laptop, and GPS and things like that he needs while he's away. Didn't take long to knock up, fairly simple, but a handy little unit to have. Thanks for watching, everybody.